Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, I'll be discussing about 4 stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 4 stocks have high potential trades to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. So more educational aspects are included. So make sure you're watching this video till the end to understand the logic behind those trades. The first stock I have picked to trade on the sell side is Bata India Limited. Bata India Limited, if you observe the price action, this is a daily time frame chart. The the main reason behind picking this stock to trade on the sell side is, so if you observe two previous days candle, so if you observe this two previous days candle, so we got an spinning top candle right at the resistance, right? So spinning top is an indecisive candle, neither the buyers nor the sellers have the upper hand, right? So today we got an shooting star candle. So shooting star candle is a bearish reversal candlesticks, right? So we got the shooting star candle right at the top. So we can trade it on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So if you observe previously, the stock was trading within this range. So within this channel, we got the breakout and the retest is pending. This is also one confirmation. So we can trade it on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels will be in lower time frame. So let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So in tomorrow's trading session, there are two scenarios we can trade this on the. So there are two scenarios, two kinds of trades we will be getting in this stock. So the first trade will be, so as you see, so this level wasn't previously acting as a resistance. So after the breakout of this, it took the support, right? So two times it took the support. Today we got the breakdown below this. So this level is very important level, which is around 2120 level. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a bullishness in the morning session, so the other thing we need to observe here is the last four candles, the last three candles are spinning top. It's an indecision candle, right? So though the sellers made the price to close below the opening price in today's trading session itself. So at the end we got the spinning top, indecisive candles. So we are supposed to wait for the perfect entry. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a bullishness in the morning session, do wait for the price to test the 2120 level. So at the 2120 level, if you see a bearish candlesticks like shooting star or an gravestone doji or an bearish engulfing candle, if you find this kind of candles in 15 minutes time frame at 2120 level, we can trade this on the sell side. Okay, our stop loss will be about 2120 or above the confirmation candle. So if you see a shooting star candle, weak dominating candle, our stop loss will be above that. Our first take profit will be at today's low, so which comes around 2080. If that breaks, we can expect a target of 2055. So this is one scenario. So in case of bullishness in the morning session, so at the 2120 level, wait for the bearish price action. With that, we can expect a bearish trade. So our first take profit will be at 2080 and our next take profit will be at 2055. The other scenario is you can initiate a sell trade immediately once today's low is broken. So we can initiate a sell trade at 2080 by maintaining the stop loss of 2100. So this spinning top candles high. Our first take profit will be at 2055 and our next take profit will be at 2017. Okay, this is second scenario. Okay, the next stock is Godrej Consumer Product. So previously we have planned this, we have already planned this on the sell side. So we have planned this to trade on the sell side once the breakdown happens at this minor support level. So as per our analysis, we got the breakdown below this in previous trading session. So today we got the follow up candle. So currently we got the closing below round number, psychological number 1000, right? So currently we got the closing below 1000 level. So previously the stock was facing support at this level. We got the breakdown, retest at the same level. It is continuing its up downward direction, right? So we have additional confirmation of lower high series. So high, low, lower high. So we got the closing below previous swing point. So previous swing point, this one around 1000 level, we got the breakdown below this. So we can trade this on the sell side. So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels will be in the lower time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame chart. So if you observe today's price action, we got the bearish candle, pullback, a bearish momentum. So this kind of lower high, lower low format we are currently today. This kind of price action happened, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as today's low is broken, today's low is breached. So today's low is around 987. So as soon as you see a breakdown below 987, we can initiate a sell trade immediately. Okay, our stop loss will be at 997, 10 points of stop loss. Our first take profit will be at 974 and our next take profit will be at 960 level. Okay, the next stock is Phoenix Mills Limited. So this is a daily time frame chart. So the price was respecting, previously it was acting as a resistance, this level was acting as a resistance, right? The price was respecting this resistance level. We got a breakout above this, we got a breakout, it has retested the same level for the first time. So again we are getting, again the price is retesting the same level with the lower high series. So we see a symmetrical triangle kind of pattern, right? So let me zoom in the chart. So as you see, so this level was acting as a resistance in the trading in the previous days. So after the breakout, it has retested the same level for the first time. Again it is retesting the same level. So we can expect a breakdown of this support level. So previously it was acting as a resistance. So currently it should act, currently it is at the support level. So this resistance turned to the support. In case if it gives the breakdown below this support level, we can initiate a sell trade, right? So it has tested the same level for the multiple times. So if any level is tested again and again, that level becomes weak, right? So 2 times it has tested the same level. So we got the bearish candle after the spinning top, right? So this candle is a spinning top. So after the spinning top, after the indecision between buyers and sellers, today we got the sellers. So our entry and exit levels will be, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So as you see, at the end of the day, we got the increase in the selling volume with the decrease in the price. So volume got increased and we got the decrease in the price, so which is a good sign to trade on the sell side. So in tomorrow's trading session, so we can trade this on the sell side. Our entry price will be at 940 to 938 level, so which comes around this low. So our stop loss will be at 950, 10 points of stop loss. We are supposed to maintain the stop loss above this shooting star candle high. So then it will be safe for us though. So it gives the edge that it is not going to hit our stop loss, right? So we are supposed to maintain stop loss of 950. Our entry will be at around 940. Our first take profit will be at 930 level and our next take profit will be at 920 level. So that it is a 10 points difference. Okay, the next stock is Ambuja Cements Limited. So Ambuja Cements Limited, the price was respecting this support level. multiple times, right? So currently we see a breakdown below this support level, right? So this was the previously it was acting as a support level. Though we have given, though the price has given breakdown below this, the same will act as a resistance now, right? So we got a breakdown below this level. So let me zoom in the chart. So in previous trading session we got the engulfing candle. So we got the huge bearish candle and a solid breakdown below the support level, right? So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So we got the inside candle too today. So today if you observe the price action, today's price action, if you compare today's price action with previous day price action, we got the inside candle, right? So as we got in the just dial, so the same scenario is repeated at the level. So if you observe, if you go and check the just dial chart, so in previous day, in my previous video I have explained the logic to how to trade the inside candle. So as part of our analysis today, just dial, we achieved the targets in the just dial, right? So the same scenario, we got the inside candle. If you see a breakdown below today's low, we can get a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side. So the logic is pretty simple. So the price was respecting the support level, we got the breakdown, retested the same level, and the bearish price action is currently continuing, right? So let me switch to the lower time frame. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So if you observe past 2 days price action, we got a fall. So we got a fall below 400 level. A small pullback got happened around 400 level, again a fall, pullback, again a fall. So if you observe thoroughly, we got, so 2 times we got the price bearish price action from the 400 level, right? So if for around 400 round number, we got the bearish price action. So this level is very important in tomorrow's trading session too. So if you see a bullish price action in the morning session, if you see a buyers are pushing the price on the upward side, wait for the price to retest the 400 level. At the 400 level, if you find any bearish candlesticks, so just like this, so if you observe this candle, we got, this is the shooting star candle, right? So if you find this kind of candles around 400 level, so if you find wick dominating candles around 400 level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be above 400 or above the confirmation candle. Our first take profit will be at 390. So in case of breakdown below 390, we can expect a next target of 380. So this is one scenario. In case of bullishness, so let me delete out of this. In case of bullishness, so around 400 level, wait for the good candlestick confirmation, bearish candlestick confirmation, and we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be above 400 and our first take profit will be at 390. In case of breakdown below 390, we can expect a bearish price action till 380 level. So this is one scenario. In case of breakdown below today's low, which is 388, so we can initiate a sell trade immediately. So this is the today's low, right? So we got the bearish price action, a pullback. Once this low is broken, we can initiate a sell trade immediately. Our entry will be at 388. Our stop loss will be at this swing point, which comes around 394. So our entry will be at 388. Our stop loss will be 394. Our first take profit will be at 380. So this level, 380 level. In case of breakdown below 390, we can expect another big fall in tomorrow's trading session. So in tomorrow's trading session, Ambuja Cements is announcing its quarterly results. In case of any effect in the not Ambuja Cement, Ultratech Cement is announcing its quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session. So in case of any bearishness in the Ultratech Cement, the same might affect Ambuja Cements too in tomorrow's trading session too. Okay, so keep observing other cement stocks too, like Ultratech Cement in tomorrow's trading session. So those are the 4 stocks which I have watch listed to trade in tomorrow's trading session. So hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So any new viewers, so make sure you are subscribing my channel So the channel name is Trader Naveen. So I'll be posting regular videos on this regarding intraday calls and educational videos on technical analysis. Okay.